Welcome to the software journey with GKey. Power BI classes with real-time interview questions and answers. Class 17. What are star and Snowflake schemas in Power BI?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what are star and Snowflake schemas in Power BI. First, let us discuss what is a star schema in Power BI. A star schema is a data modeling design where a central fact table is connected directly to multiple dimension tables, forming a structure that looks like a star. Let us see this structure, that is dim date, dim customer and dim product is directly connected to fact internet sales. This is the fact table which is directly connected to different dimension tables and forming a structure like a star. Coming to the key points in a star schema, fact table contains measurable values such as sales amount and quantity. Dimension tables contain descriptive attributes like date, product and customer information. Like this, you'll see the product name, product description and customer number, customer city, customer state, something like these are the descriptive attributes that dimension table used to contain. And all dimensions connect directly to the fact. See, this is the relationship which is established directly to the fact table. There is no intermediate dimension involved here. Model is simple, fast and optimal for Power BI analytics. That means with the simple joins, the performance will be faster. Why? Because if you want to get data from this fact table and dimension table, there will be only single join required to get the data. In this way, with less joins, the performance will be better. Why star schema is best for Power BI? It is for faster DAX calculations. DAX are the calculations which are available in Power BI desktop, and it is for best performance. Fewer relationships, that means the joins will be having only one join between a dimension table and fact table, and it is easy to maintain. It works perfectly with the VertiPack compression. That means less joins and each dimension is directly connected to the fact table. Now let us see the next schema, that is Snowflake schema. Is an extension of star schema where dimension tables are further normalized into sub-dimension tables. Here this is a fact table. This is the first dimension which is directly connected, and here this dimension is further divided and this one is further divided, like product category, subcategory, something like. If you want to get the data by using this fact table with this dimension table, it have to join this with this dimension first, then this, then here. Here it involves around 2 to 3 joins. To get the data, this model will take more time. That means performance wise it will be somewhat slower. Coming to the key points of Snowflake schema, dimensions are split into multiple related tables that are explained like this here. The structure looks like a snowflake. It is more complex relationships, that these are the different joins which are available. And why Snowflake schema is not preferred in Power BI? This because slower performance with more joins. More joins means reduces efficiency. It is harder to manage, increase model complexity. That means it is not a simple model, it is a complex model. Coming to the simple comparison between star schema and Snowflake schema, there are different features. First, I will explain one by one. The structure for star schema is like fact plus dimension tables with a direct connection, and for Snowflake schema, fact dimension plus sub dimension, something like this. This is the model it used to maintain. Complexity is lower for star schema, it's high for Snowflake schema. Performance wise, star schema is faster because of less joins and Snowflake is slower because of more joins. It is recommended for Power BI. Yes, star schema is recommended and Snowflake is not recommended. If it requires only, we go for Snowflake. If there is no other option, then we go for the Snowflake. Otherwise, we try to use star schemas. Let us see these things practically by using Power BI desktop by creating a simple report. I'm taking a blank report. I'll try to connect to a database. This is the database that I used to server and database. AdventureWorks is a database that used to have all the functionality over here. I'm trying to connect to this server. This is the server name I'm just taking. Now I'm trying to give the server name, and the database that I'm trying to connect is AdventureWorks DW 2019. By clicking on it, it will just connect to that database. To see the star schema, I'll just try to connect to the, some of the tables here. First, I'll take the fact table, like fact internet sales. From here, I'm going to take a dim customer, dim date, dim employee, dim product, something like this. Let us load these tables first and we'll see what type of like modeling it is going to like take. Now we are establishing a connection to the server and to the particular database. From there we are trying to like take the tables like fact internet sales, dim customer, dim date, dim employee and dim product with a data, and these things will take a certain time. This is the number of rows which are available in the tables. Now it got loaded. These are the different table and the structures available, and if you get into the model view, you can see the model how it based on the joins which are available in. See, for example, dim employee is not connected to fact internet sales, and remaining dimension tables, for example, dimensional customer, dim date and dim product is directly connected to fact internet sales. It is to maintain the foreign keys of the dimension tables and the measure values. And in this way, the joins are directly connected to, the tables are directly connected to fact internet sales fact table. Now, this is the star schema model. If you want to connect to a different databases, mostly we can prefer this kind of models to get the things faster and to get the performance as well. And if you want to see the Snowflake schema, that I'll explain the same thing. You can load the tables that I'll show you from the database side. Here, this is one of the structure that I have created diagram. This is like a star schema which is available. Dim product and other tables are directly connected to the fact internet sales. If you want to see the other things, I want to add dim product. Is there dim product category, dim product subcategory? I'm going to add these two tables. See now how the structure is defined. This is like a Snowflake schema. Here, dim product category is divided from dim product subcategory, and dim product subcategory is divided from dim product. If you want to join get the data based on dim product category and fact internet sales, it has to connect to the dim product subcategory, then it had to connect to the dim product, then it will connect to the fact internet sales. 1, 2, 3, that means 2 to 3 joins it has to take. In this way, the Snowflake schemas are going to be defined, and these are not that much preferred in Power BI environments. I think you got some idea about what is star schema and what is Snowflake schema, and what are the different functionalities they are having, and performance wise which one is better. We can take a decision based on the modeling. Thank you.
Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT profession with us.